Do it again.
Oh no, she's getting conscious now because she heard the thing.
Go.
No, she's not looking at me. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
You know, I was laughing, right? Then she goes, and
So aren't you gonna laugh again?
I have to get her focus. Oh, here's that. Come on, sweetheart. Oh, get down there. Oh, he's tired. So, good girl, girl. Had a good show, didn't you? You like
Hmm? Crazy girl. That was a long conversation. What were we doing? Is that a laugh?
Oh, we were doing that for about 5 minutes. That's her,
That's your voice? Ah!
She must have gotten tired. That was fun. That was funny, wasn't it?